Hi, my name is Ryan from Hill to Wear, and in this video, you're going to learn about Spark AR and how it will change the way you make content. If you're not familiar with it, Spark AR is a new tool from Facebook that allows you to create augmented reality experiences just using your phone. And the cool thing is, it's not just for content creators. Businesses can use this to create engaging filters for marketing. So let's dive right into making our first AR filter. 2 minutes on the clock, let's go. To start, you will need to download Blender, Spark AR, and on your phone, Spark AR Player. All software are free. In our case, we'll create a virtual film set. So the first thing we'll need to do is model the 3D assets in Blender. If you've never used Blender before, that's okay. I've linked my 3D models in the description and you can skip to this part of the video. In Blender, I made sure to make my 3D models low poly for speed in Spark AR. After you finish modeling your scene, make sure that all the models in your scene are joined into one. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-J. Next, select File, Export, FBX. In Spark AR, we'll create a new blank project. Next, we'll click the Import from Computer button in the Assets panel. Right-click on the scene panel and select Add Object, and then Plane Tracker. Drag your assets into the plane tracker so a yellow box appears around it. Once imported, use the Transform and Scaling tools to move your model into the desired spot. After parenting the 3D model and the plane tracker, you can test what the finished product will look like on your phone. Open Spark AR Player on your phone and plug it into your computer via a USB or USB-C depending on your setup. On your phone, you should see the selfie camera activated. Switch to the front camera. In Spark AR, you should see a blue dot next to the phone icon. Select that icon and click the Send icon. In Spark AR Player, you should see the 3D model tracked to a surface you're pointing to. If you're ready to publish, click the arrow icon and follow the instructions on the criteria for publishing.
Oh, and that's 2 minutes. See you next time.